All right, guys, this is day 15. It's 6:30 uh, p.m. So today, I really haven't ate anything. I drank some water. I ate a little bit of cashews. The rest of my cashews was just probably like 2 ounces. I did eat 2 oranges. So other than that, that's all I ate for today. I just now got back from the grocery store. You know, it's so great. Well, I wouldn't say it's so great, but it feels a little good when you go to the grocery store and everybody's like, well, when you check out, everybody's like, you eat so healthy. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Da, 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 da. I'm like, thank you. You know, you can do it too. So if you watching this video, what I'm doing, I am extending it to 90 days. But let me tell you, you can do it too. You know what I'm saying? You can do it too. All right, guys, this is dinner. It's 7:15. Dinner for day 15. We have a whole pineapple, 2 mangoes, 2 pints of blueberries, and a pint of blackberries. What's up, guys? It's day 16. Yeah, what's up, guys? Day 16. It's 2:30. I only had water today. Now I'm about to have a smoothie bowl. Let me show you what's in the bowl. So we got a mixed medley. It has pineapples, mangoes, strawberries, and peaches. I threw hemp seeds on top and bananas. And that's the bowl. Hey guys, it is 7:23. We about ready for the Cowboys. Let me show y'all my fit. We almost ready for the Cowboys game. You know what I'm saying? They about to beat Tampa Bay. At least they better. I'm gonna be pretty upset. Got my socks on. Got my socks on. Yeah, let me show you the food. Anyway, this is our dinner tonight. We got some spinach and baby kale mix with some tomatoes, clover sprouts, red onions, cucumber, and I made a hemp seed Caesar dressing. And I put avocados on top with hemp seeds on top. And that's the dinner for tonight. Good morning, guys. It's day 17. My Cowboys got that win yesterday. It is 12:30 and we're about to have a smoothie bowl. Actually, it's going to be the same exact smoothie bowl as yesterday. I forgot to tell y'all yesterday I did add 4 dates. So I added 4 dates in here as well. So it's going to be the exact same smoothie bowl. I'm going to show you again though. Adding hemp seeds and bananas to the top. And hey man, it feels good. This update feels good. I feel good. I'm gonna take some sea moss today because the last time I took some was when I showed y'all last week. But it feels good. It's feeling great. You know, it's feeling great. Especially enjoying these fruits. I'm gonna have to probably go back to the grocery store tomorrow to get more frozen fruits. I should stack up a whole lot. Maybe get like 4 or 5 bags and some dates because I love eating these smoothie bowls. I look forward to waking up, you know, getting my day started, a little bit of my day, going to get a smoothie bowl, or making a smoothie bowl. I just love them. I'm just loving these smoothie bowls right now. All right, guys, here's the smoothie bowl that I just spoke about. All right, guys, I wanted to record this so I wouldn't forget. I had a pint of blueberries. That was maybe like an hour or 2 ago. Right now it's almost 6 o'clock. And I think I'm gonna make a salad here pretty soon because I'm getting pretty hungry. I planned on making some portobello mushroom sandwiches, but it takes 3 hours to dehydrate and it's already 6 o'clock, so I don't want to wait till 9 o'clock to eat. So that's my update. All right, guys, it's 7:10. We have 2 mangoes I chopped up. I really don't feel like making a salad, but I'm pretty hungry, so I may end up making one anyway. What's up, guys? It's day 18. It is 1:30, and we got another smoothie bowl to start off the day. Let me show y'all what's in it. Oh, last night I did have 2 oranges. I added 2 oranges to my meal. I didn't make a salad or anything. I was pretty hungry, but I didn't. Honestly, I was feeling a little bit lazy. I didn't want to make a salad. I really wanted those portobello mushrooms, but I didn't want to wait 3 hours. I could have waited the 3 hours, hindsight, but hey, it's whatever. I didn't mind. But let me show y'all what I got today. So, as I have the past 2 days, it's the same smoothie bowl. Same fruits, same bananas on top, same. I mean, it's not the exact same because I ate it, but y'all understand what I'm saying. Same ingredients, hemp seeds on top. Going crazy. 4 dates. I don't know if I've been telling y'all that. 4 dates in the inside. All right, guys. So it's 9:18, and I'm finishing up. Look at all this stuff. I did this reel. I used this air fryer I got for Christmas. It's a dehydrator. It got a dehydrator setting on it. But we made some portobello burgers. So we have cashew cheese that I made in the blender, some avocado. I put salt, pepper, some coconut aminos. This side I got cashew cheese as well with some clover sprouts, tomatoes, red onions. I flip it on side, cut it in half. If you want to see it, follow my Instagram. I already ate one. This is about to be my second one, and I got a third one that I'm gonna make after I finish this second one. Well, I'm gonna make it then. I'm gonna relax and eat. What's up, guys? It is day 19. Yesterday was day 18. Start off the day. It's 12:13. Start off the day with some water and a banana. And I'm gonna eat the rest of my portobello burger. I got 1 left. I made 3. I couldn't eat them all yesterday, but I will tell you, I forgot to do this update. It's been the best meal I've had so far on this journey. So that's what we're having for breakfast. Well, lunch. All right, guys. So this is gonna be my lunch. I mean, it's 5 o'clock, but this is gonna be my lunch. We have 2 pints of blackberries and a pint of blueberries. All right, YouTube. It is day 20, and it is 4 o'clock. This is my first meal of the day. I only had water. Let me show y'all what I got. We got a smoothie bowl. So we got this strawberry. I added half banana in there, and then I had added a half banana on top with some hemp seeds. So strawberry banana smoothie bowl, but it's more like a smoothie. But I put a little bit too much water in there, but that's what we're eating on today. What's up, guys? It is 11 o'clock. Only thing I had to eat was, other than that smoothie bowl I showed you guys, was 2 oranges I picked up from the grocery store because I've been on the move today. What's up, guys? It's day 21, 3:30. This thing I got back from the grocery store. I'm about to show y'all what time it is. This is what we got. I know there's a whole lot, I mean, not a whole lot of like stuff to show y'all because they in bags. But I wanted to show y'all these right here, organic coconut chunks. They looking good. I'll let you have one.
No, I'm talking about the bananas. I ain't talking about that.
Yeah, I'll let you have one banana, but
I'm talking about the whole thing.
Cash App did me good. I saved $100. This Cash App did me good. What's up, guys? This is a grocery haul. I know last time I tried to do it, but I couldn't because it was too much time. I mean, I didn't have enough space on my phone. But let's make it quick. We got all of this from Kroger's. It was like 150 something actually, but you know, my card, it went down to 128, and Cash App gave me $100 off. Shout out to Cash App. Anyway, Gala apples. We got these sprouted rolled oats. I'm gonna try to make, get that weight up. So we're gonna try to get those overnight oats I used to make, but this time I'm gonna use sprouted rolled oats. If y'all seen my Instagram, you follow me on my Instagram, we made these raw vegan burgers, mushroom burgers. Going back again, because that was so delicious. Bell peppers, it was $5. We got some whole strawberries, peaches, mangoes, organic bananas, 3 things of romaine hearts. We have this baby kale or baby spring mix. It has a good amount of stuff in there. Boom. 5 organic mangoes. We got 4 lemons, some raw cashews, 2 avocados, 3 blueberries, 4 oranges. What is this? 6 Roma tomatoes, some jeweled dates, starfish. I said starfish. Starfruit. It's gonna be my first time trying this actually. So I might do a review on this. 2 shallots, Some walnuts, more hemp seeds, crucial nutritional yeast. And if you haven't watched this video, I just dropped it. I'm gonna also plug it in. Well, I might not plug it in, I don't know. But boom, this organic coconuts, chunks. I wouldn't recommend, but that's for this week. And boom. Well, it's my grocery haul. Probably gonna last me a week. All right, guys, it is about 4:30. This is my meal for my first meal of the day. We have 4 oranges, a star fruit, and a mango. Now, I wanted to do this because I was like, hey, I never ate a star fruit before, so I want to give y'all my reactions. Then I'm gonna go watch the Jags and the Chiefs. I got the Jags just because Trevor Lawrence is Saturday. He never lost on Saturday. Got to root for him. But we're gonna cut one end off. We're gonna cut another end off of the star fruit. It got like a, I don't know what the smell. Then you want to cut these edges off. I looked up a video. Shout out to the video I seen. Other dude showing me how to do this. You just cut these edges off. Smooth like that. I don't want to cut myself. They said they got like a little bitter taste, so just cut them off. And I don't think I'm gonna try it, you know? So I'm just gonna let that be it. All right, so now I'm gonna cut it. See, you got some seeds in here. I love to see fruit with the seeds in it. You know what I'm saying? Love to see it. We're gonna take the seed out. Having trouble taking the seed out. Pretty small seed. And there it goes. It's like a star. Mine kind of messed up. Go Cowboys. We play them San Francisco 49ers tomorrow. Let's try it. Very, I don't know how to describe it. It has a lot of liquid in it. Well, it's fruity, but it has a little tang. It kind of reminds me a little bit of a dragon fruit. The taste isn't strong, but it gives me like a tomato type of taste too. Like I don't know. It's pretty good though. Does it reach top 5 of my list of fruits? No. It's kind of like a grape. I was reading the comments section on video I watched of how to cut this and everything. And somebody said it tastes like a mix between a green grape and a pear. And I haven't had a green grape in such a long time because I can't find one with seeds. I don't know why I'm getting a tomato feel though. It's like a slight hint of tomato, kind of like, and I think the tomato feels is from the texture. The texture reminds me of tomato. But the taste doesn't. And the seeds kind of remind me of tomato, even though these seeds are bigger. That's what the seeds look like. This is pretty good. Shoot, if I came home, if I was a kid, came home in the middle of summer after playing outside all day, I would love to have this. It said give you 50% of the vitamin C that you need. That's great. But I'm gonna finish this other food. These oranges. And I don't really normally cut oranges, but I had 2 oranges yesterday and I hurt my thumb. I had cut my nails and I hurt my thumb on it. So I'm gonna cut this avocado. I said avocado. This mango. And I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Let me know if y'all like this little setup, or even not setup. I know the camera, my tripod broke, so I gotta buy another one. But like this, me talking while I eat with y'all, this kind of mukbang type of thing. And I'll do more of it. But until then, I'm gonna catch y'all on my next meal, which is probably gonna be after the game. Ciao. All right, guys, that's the end of week 3. Sorry, I apologize. This video is going out pretty late. It's Friday right now. Almost 10 a.m. But I'm getting this video out because I've been holding on it. And yeah, because I'm almost done with week 4 and I ain't had week 3 out yet. So I got a little behind on this one, but that's up. Thank you guys for watching. If you're watching this, you got this far, like, comment something, comment your favorite meal, your favorite day. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. We're going up to another level. We're gonna catch y'all.